My computer's a little bit dusty. Welcome to the stream, whether you're here live or post live. Today we're going to be focusing on just going over a few things. We've essentially finished our app. Oh, actually, you know what? I might make the purchase. I might pull the trigger on the developer program for Apple because I can get my app up. So let's go. Let's have a look what we need here exactly. Let's get everything ready. Let's do that too. So probably bring up our Safari here. Right. Why is my what's going on here? Oh, what the hell? Some sort of weird bug. Low power mode. Now we're gonna need to, let's swap that over to start page. I might actually set myself up with 2 monitors today. I mean, that's really the ultimate system, isn't it? 2 monitors. 3 monitors would, well, 3 monitors would be ultimate, right? Imagine being able to code. What would it be like coding through like the Vision OS? That'd be so weird. So study small. Study small. Video big. Sorry, hold on. I'm trying to fix my screen situation here. Our video is small. We can go over here. That kind of sets us up, right? So that's that. And then we get a video big over here. There we go. All right. Why is it so blurry up there? That's so weird. I'm searching for App Store prep. Submitting App Store, Apple Developer. Let's see what we actually need here. I know you can't see the whole thing here. Just bear with me. Is that big enough for you guys? Oh shoot, what did I do? Hold on, let me go over here to my That's big enough, right? Make it a little bit bigger if you want. Perhaps there. Okay. Right. So submit your apps and games today. Take advantage of the latest capabilities in Apple platforms and the App Store to deliver your most innovative apps yet. Update for new OS release. Build and test with Xcode 26, which supports the latest SDKs. Right. So first things first, let's open our stretching app. I'm gonna rename this app actually. Yeah, here, right? I'm gonna rename it to Bad Timing. I wrote a note. So let's go into our settings here. The app itself. Version 1, build 1. App category. Um, Healthcare and fitness, I think. iOS 26. We're just gonna do portrait mode for this. And there's no iPad. Does it? Oh, well, I guess allow it on iPad like that. Um, and we don't have an we don't have an app icon. We don't have any onboarding for this, so it's not fully complete yet. Well, it's almost complete. It's so close to being complete. Oh, so close. So close. Hey, Aguirre? Whoa, holy shit. I don't know why, but I was just thinking about you. I was like, I wonder if Aguirre's gonna come in here and say, look at him going again, streaming. How's it going, brother? Learn about this, app review guidelines, test flight. Here we go. Yes. Test flight Apple's beta app testing service. Simply add testers from your internal team. This is what I need to do. Everyone, Aguirre, you guys are all gonna test my apps, please, if you don't mind. That'd be awesome. Um, let's see, back again. Back at again. I've been doing fine. Thinking about joining a gym in addition to learning Swift. Ooh, excellent. Excellent. Yeah, my my fiance just joined a gym, and I've been going to the gym a bit more recently as well. I think today I'm going as well to the gym. I usually go roughly 3 times a week at the moment. Sometimes I don't get there every time because it just feels so busy, but I really should get in there. I gotta lose a bit of weight. Having too much beer recently. Cannot I cannot resist Japanese beer, seriously. So I just have to work out extra hard to drink it alongside of living life and managing weight. Oh shit! I was supposed to weigh myself this morning. Hold on. I needed to go do that. Fuck. You reminded me. Damn, I don't know what happened, but like I weighed myself yesterday. Oh, by the way, sorry, I just wanted to ask you, how far along are you in your Swift journey? You're learning Swift. What are you using to learn? Yeah, so I lost like this doesn't make sense. For some reason when I like weighed myself yesterday, I was almost a whole kilogram heavier. So that doesn't make sense. I'm a kilogram lighter today. Your body is always in flux, isn't it? So product page, make sure your app's icon named map app's name, icon, description, screenshots, app previews, and keywords are ready. Okay, so I need so I need the app's name. We can do that quickly. Refactor, rename. We're gonna rename this bad timing. Wait, bad timing. Destruct. I'm gonna rename this app name. Is there an app name here? Display name. Bad timing. Yeah. I wanted it obscure but not super obscure. You know what I'm saying? Right, so when we run that, I'm gonna see if I can I won't run it right now, but I'll just run it on the simulator here. Real quick, make sure it shows up as bad timing. Simulator's loading. Let's go home. Bad timing. Cool. So now I can see that. Sorry, I know you guys can't see that, but it just doesn't matter. Just wanted to see if it said bad timing. So now let's go to Grok and see if we can make us a fun like um app icon. So can you make me an app icon for my app? I want it to uh, look like someone meditating, but I'm still learning about functions, nexus structs, then classes using Code Academy. Oh, nice. That's cool. Good job. Do have a book on SwiftUI, but to get the foundations down first before I start working on UI. Oh, okay, yeah. Fair enough. That's cool. Sounds good. Sounds good. I want it to look like someone meditating, but um how do we want this to look now I have to be creative again. Make the right decision. Um I'm thinking my mind thought about a clock with like arms and legs as like the the hands, but it sounds weird. And clocks have been done to death. But but I like this idea. Don't know how I thought of it. I'm 18-year-old. What? Am I not logged in? Damn. Oh shoot, I meant to do like cartoon style. That looks cool though. I can make it a video, damn. Let's see what this does. Samurai Jack style. Oh. Oh. Wait, is that right one like kind of like Mulan? Oh, that looks cool on the left. He has no eyeballs, but that one on the right looks crazy. Holy shit. Yo. Oh my God, those look cool, bro. Oh my God. I don't know which one I like more. Oh man, fuck, these are good. These are good. This is insane. It basically took the images it had and updated them. That's really cool. Oh, fuck. These are both awesome. It's actually pretty realistic as well, like the in this one in particular. Holy shit, that's sick. Okay, let's go to app icon. Let's I need to hold on. I need to sort out my images here. Dev projects. No, that's not right. Um oh yeah, wait, hold on. Dev projects. I stretch. Hmm. App icon. Just gonna add icon one into here. It's too small. Damn. Can you upscale an Affinity photo? Okay, it might be possible for me to update these. So let's see if I can actually um, see if I can do this real quick. It couldn't make them in higher quality, so document, resize document, resample. Ah, actually, let's give me one sec. I actually have to crop the image because it has grok watermark on it. Damn, I kind of didn't want to. I wish I didn't have to crop it. What if I just crop upwards? That's better? Yeah, that's better, actually. Instead of the entire thing. Yeah, there you go. Sorry, I know you can't see this right now. Just let me do my thing real quick. a bicubic. Okay, let's try this. Okay, that's pretty good. Resize my document. 96. Bicubic resampling. Here we go. Now let's save these. There we go. Now that should be completed. Yeah, okay, these are bigger now. Let's delete that and drag in the new one. There we are. That looks great. As a small icon. It's gonna be awesome. Wait, hold on. I need to commit my changes here. Integrate, commit, stage all. Update before ready for upload for testing. Commit. And then let's push those. Push those up. Push the updates. Done. Right. Now let's go over here. Let's make sure this runs. Build succeeded. And we're gonna push that up right now. There we go, we're done. Now I'm just having a look quickly on the ooh nice. Check this out, check this out. I'll show you guys on the simulator here. You can see the app icon there. It's a little bit, I'll make it bigger, it's a little bit small, but look at that. Bad timing. Oh, I love it. Oh, I love it. Oh, it's so good, so good, so good, so good, so good. Oh my god, so good. That's crazy. Crazy how cool it looks. All right, let's turn that off. Stop that. Oh man, that's awesome. The weird thing is, what's the weird thing where my mind just went blank? The funny thing is my images for the stretching is like are really weird. But the image, it's like AI can make generalized images, but when you get specific with it, it doesn't come out the way you want usually ever. Toolbar. Can we go with dot background? Dot ultra thin material. Dot ignore safe area. I just want to see what that looks like. Nothing. It did nothing. I wanted to be able to make the app like I wanted these screens here to be able to be kind of glassy. I don't know how to do that though. See if Grok can help with this. I don't know how it would work, to be honest. Right, so we have our app icon. What else do we need? Description. What? One of my apps just downloaded something, apparently. What? Where's where's the map system? What? What? It's not there. It's not there. Settings. Region, Gold Coast. Maps. Unit kilometers. Offline maps. Apparently I've downloaded the map offline. So apparently I'm using downloaded maps. All right, but why does Bluetooth have to be on? I don't understand that. I don't know. Oh, I just got paid again. Thank you very much. Right. Okay. Let's continue. So we've got that done. Um, how do we make the sheet glassy? What? Oh, there it is. Okay, hold on. Let's see if we can do this. In our Z stack, we need uh color.clear. Let's refresh this. Make sure everything's working normally. Dot. Oh wait, do we put glass effect on that? Dot glass effect. Regular. In direct corner array 10. Dot ignore save area. Is that it? Have I done it? Then it wants me to add. Well, let's run that first and see what it looks like. Okay, no, that doesn't work. Still not working, and then so here dot. Let me get notification here. Dot glass effect dot clear dot tint dot white dot opacity 2.2. Dot presentation background dot clear. Does that do anything? Oh, it changed it a little bit. It did change it. I don't know if this is gonna work, but oh wait, I'm what if we turn this off? Or what if we just put this effect? What if we don't have that at all and we just put it on this? Any errors for that? No? Works? No, that doesn't. So that doesn't work because it's on the Z stack or whatever. V stack. Oh man. Ugh. I mean, I can see the glass. I can see where it ends. But like, I don't know. Hello. Hey JK. What's up? How's it going, man? Sorry, I'm having a moment with this thing. Wonder if anyone solved this problem. Oh, wait. Wait, what? How the hell did they do that? That's kind of crazy. Crazy. Um, let's just wait, how did they do that? The background clear view, and then background clear view, they that view equal UI view. Using background color equals clear return view. That makes it a custom view, but that's so old. iOS 16.4, you can make the sheet background transparent. Is there any workaround to the same behavior? These versions. Makes the sheet background. Wait, what? Same behavior in previous versions. In 16, so presentation background color dot clear makes the sheet background transparent? Does it? Does it? Presentation background color dot clear. It does not. The hell? Am I missing something here? Presentation background completely stretched for this. In applying presentation background, color.clear makes the sheet background transparent. Then why is mine not doing it? Is it the wrong spot? Does it need to be on the sheet itself? Maybe? No, it's the same. Same thing, right? Obviously. Oh! Wait, hold on. This did it. But, oh my god, you're kidding me. Wait. Wait. Wait, hold on. In medium, it works. But in large, it doesn't work. What? What's the deal with that? Uh, right, okay. That's so weird. Why? What? That's, bro. That's, what if I use ultra thin material as the, probably just, clear actually makes it more clear. Maybe I just make the instructions less. Because as soon as you make the thing full screen, it becomes white. That sucks. Right. Well, you know what? How about we're just gonna put a color in here. Color dot pink dot opacity 0.2 dot ignore safe area. I think we're gonna go with pink, light, like a light pink here, instead of just white. Yeah, that's better. Maybe 0.5. Hey, Samuel son. I wonder if that helps or that doesn't work or what. Works. Sweet. Does nothing, but you know what? I might actually. I have an idea. What's my cherry? Okay. Let's go. That solves the problem. It's like it makes you imagine that you're seeing through it. All right. Problem solved. Boys. All right, so you guys can see it here. I'll share it. Stop this from running. Close the simulator out. Don't need that open. So that's what it's going to look like. So if you go to stretch selection view, you can click on this thing here and bam. It looks kind of like it's blurred out behind it, but it's not. It's just wait, where do we have this image here? Scaled to fill. Okay, there's a problem here. We want this scale to fill, but we don't want the whole thing to stretch. What? Why is that stretching everything out? Is it because it oh yeah, because it takes the frame of whatever's underneath and follows it, right? Can I gotta get a frame on this? Yes, I can. Okay. Right, there we go. 420 lol. Yeah, that looks good. That looks good. Now we actually want to better. There we go. It's much better. It fits properly. Cool. I'm actually fixing shit by myself. Right. So, what's next? There's a bunch of bugs we have to fix, right? So that's fine. Um, we need description. Where do we add the description? Is there a description section in here? Surely not, right? That's in the other section, right? Can I rename this? Bad timing. Rename. That's fine. All right, whole thing's that's done. Ooh. Okay. So we need at what I don't know what app previews are and keywords. I'm assuming that's part of the subtitle. Age ratings. Information about your app's privacy practices. So add a URL, App Store product page, custom product pages. Edition your default. Huh. Okay. Um. So app review guidelines. Before you submit, review the common missteps listed below, so that review process of trigger rejections doesn't replace the guidelines. Guarantee approval, but making sure you can check every item on the list is a good start. If your app no longer functions as intended, or you're no longer actively supporting it, it will be removed from the App Store. Make sure you test your app for crashes and bugs. Ensure that all app information and metadata is complete and accurate. Update your contact information in case app review needs to reach you. Provide app review full access to your app. If your app includes account-based features, provide either an active demo account or fully featured demo mode plus any other hardware or resources that might need app. Enable backend services so that they're live and accessible during review. Don't have any. Include detailed explanation of non-obvious features and in-app purchases. Oh, I swear to God, every time I'm reading, I start yawning. Reading out loud. Check whether your app follows guidance in documentation such as these things. Okay, probably doesn't matter too much. I think I do need to check human interface guidelines. Especially visual hierarchy where controls and interface elements elevate, distinguish beneath them. Align with the concentric design of the hardware and software to create harmony between interface elements. Help platform conventions to maintain consistent design that continuously adapts across Windows and displays. Oh, right. I might have to set up a geometry reader for some of this shit. Uh, There's so much to do for a submission. Oh my god. Layout. Oh wait, I just realized I can put my app icon into that app thing. Uh, how do I get to it again? What is? Whoa. Um, icon composer. That's it. Let's open that up and let's drag in the image. Let's drag in our icon here. Ooh. Right, time to get a new screen capture going. There we go. You guys can check out this icon composer app, how it works and stuff. So what can we, I mean, I don't have any other further elements to put on top of this, so, what does that do? Whoa. Oh, it's like how it looks around the edges or whatever, with the color. Like a potential design, how it would look, how it looks with different backgrounds. I guess. Damn. Oh, whoa. All right. Uh, Watch OS. I mean, it's only gonna be. Ooh, there's a default. There's a dark mode, and there's a mono. Whoa. So what do we do here? How do we straight up like put this? Do we save this? Yo, blend mode, multiply, darken, normal, dark. Okay, so what's this? Document options. Oh yeah. Similar. Okay. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Light, dark. Right. Okay. So what do we do? We just like save? Uh, icon one glass. I don't know what I'm doing here. Oh yeah. Right. It saves as glass, I guess. Uh, Revert to share export. Is that what you do? Maybe it's export. Hold on. Platform. Uh, default dark maybe? What do we like? Do we like the dark one or the default and dark? Maybe all of them? File export. Clear dark, tinted. I don't even all, I guess. Export. Export here, I guess. Okay, so it whoa. Tinted dark, tinted. What does that mean though? Okay. Let's go back into here. Let's go into our assets, app icon. Let's take a look what's going on here. Appearances, any dark tinted. So I guess let's delete that. And as we go into here, we can go to any appearance, it's default, dark, tinted. Do we go tinted light or tinted? Hold on. Oh, any dark tinted. Dark is here. I have it. But it's confusing because it's like, which tinted do we do? You know? We go the light tinted, dark tinted. I don't know. Tinted light or tinted dark? Maybe the light one, I guess? I don't know. Weird. I guess that's what we want to do. Let's commit those changes. Updates to app icon and app name. Commit. Wait. Commit stage all dates to app icon and app name. Fixed blur behind how to use app sheet. Commit. Let's push those. Will be updated properly in just a sec. All right. So if we okay, totally new thing for me here, so I don't know really what I'm doing with icon one. Yeah, ma ma. Right. Well, it's in there. Done. Don't know what that is. Uncommitted changes. What? Okay. I thought I did that already. Did everything. Okay. There we go. Right, so we've got that. Icons are done, I think. Uh, foundations. Foundations. Hmm. Foundations. What's that? Test flight. All right. So we need to purchase a thing to get test flight going. Human interface guidelines. Um, we should be fine because this app is really simple and restricted in a lot of ways. Like there's not a lot of stuff going on in here. Um, design guidance for supporting common user actions. Yeah, it's not a crazy app, so I think it should be fine. Um, and it's funny because human interface guidelines, in my opinion, seem like really just common sense shit. You know what I mean? Yeah. It's so simple. I think we're gonna be fine. Um, and yeah, the testing is the main thing. And once we do some testing with you guys, we'll be able to see what stuff I need to fix or what's broken. Uh, use of the keyboard Apple logo. Option Shift K. What? Keyboard Apple logo? What? Oh, right. Well, we don't have any Apple specific things in here, as far as I'm aware. We haven't put like specific Apple items or anything like that. It's just basic stuff. I never even thought to put anything Apple related in here. So, yeah, we should be fine. All right, so I'm actually going to take a break now and get ready for work. However, later on today, I'll purchase my subscription and I'll see if I can get test flight running. If you guys, anyone's here that wants to do some testing, help testing my apps, feel free. Feel free to subscribe to my channel. You can also join the Discord as well. I'm going to be posting in there about uh, doing the testing and stuff. So you can be able to get access through my Discord. And yeah, that's it. I think I'm just gonna go eat my pre-prepared lunch, meal prep, which is gonna be amazing. Got some salmon and rice. That's gonna be good. I think that's it. I think that's it. We There's a couple things we need extra. We need testing. Obviously, we need some screenshots, which is really easy to do. Take like 5 seconds. Just have to pick the right ones, you know. And then and then we need to figure out what app previews are. So that's the only other thing. What is app preview in App Store? App previews. Oh, there's an information page for it. Let's see. Show more of that previews. Engage. Short videos. Right, short videos of how it works. Okay, I see. That's easy. Easy to do. I mean, this whole thing doesn't matter all that much right now because I'm not heavily trying to market this app. So, yeah. So I'll just do something basic for that, just a run through of how the app works. I guess you could probably like edit a video together properly. Yeah, you could make like video. I could make a proper video with overlays and shit like that. So yeah, okay. Cool, 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 cool. All right, guys, I'm gonna head off. Thanks for joining me if you did. Appreciate chatting. I'll see you either later today or tomorrow for some more stuff, and I'll keep you guys updated in the Discord what's going on. Take care, everyone. Bye.